All right, welcome back to another mystery drawing. Remember, all you need is a pencil and paper, and then it's also great to have something to color with for the end. We are going to get started. I am drawing with a Sharpie so you can see, but definitely draw with that pencil in the middle, medium size. Follow along. We are starting with the letter A. Remember, pause the video whenever you need to slow down and take your time. Next thing we're going to do is at the top of my A, I'm going to do a little line curving like that, like a rainbow line. Then I'm going to go from the outside of that line I just drew and connect down to the bottom of my A. Next up, on the other side of my A, I'm going to do a line that goes out and comes back around. Okay, and now I'm going to add two half circles, two semicircles. All right, and watch where I put them because they're going to kind of be floating around over here. So kind of pay attention to where they are. I'm going to do one here and then one pretty close to it right there. All right, next I'm going to make just a couple little lines to connect them. So one right there, one right there. And then I'm going to do a big line starting up here, coming out and around. Think you know what our mystery is yet? We have a couple more details to add. So I'm going to draw a line here. Gonna add a V shape over here. Couple lines down here in the semicircles. And a circle inside the A. And we have a puppy dog for our mystery drawing today. I'm gonna add a little pattern in his fur on his back. You can do that. You can add whatever kind of spots or anything you want to your puppy dog. I'm going to add like he's wagging his tail back and forth. All right. And then remember, when we finish our mystery drawing, we then need to add all around it, show where our little puppy dog is and what he is doing. Okay. I think my little puppy dog is at a puppy birthday party. He's going to have a hat on. All right, so I'm going to finish this little drawing and add some color. You do the same and have fun.